Will Jeep Grand Cherokee wheel spaces affect ride quality? Fitting a Jeep Grand Cherokee with some wheel spaces is one of the most accessible and beneficial modifications. This is not only for aesthetics, but also to improve ride quality. Using Jeep Grand Cherokee wheel spaces to move the wheels out will increase the track width. A wider track means more grip in almost every application. Even though the handling is a subjective matter, it is helpful affected by the car's capabilities and also partly by the wheels. Aside from shorter bars, bigger rims, and tires with Jeep Grand Cherokee wheel spaces are actually ways to help improve the stability. With proper Jeep Grand Cherokee wheel spaces, you can upgrade the suspension part safely. What Jeep Grand Cherokee wheel spaces do I need? It is always recommended to use general brand Jeep Grand Cherokee wheel spaces because brand must deliver quality products or services. Customers expect brands to live up to their promise and provide high-quality experience. This requires that brand products must be of high quality and have a good user experience. Besides, picking a brand helps reduce the clutter, making it easier to find what Jeep Grand Cherokee wheel spaces you are looking for. With over 10 years of professional experience and countless time of actually measuring, drawing updates, size precision upgrades, and installation tests, BONOSS makes the best brand Jeep Grand Cherokee wheel spaces. Well-made wheel spaces have a better protective coating on them. They are not easier to corrode or scratch. This is why BONOSS Jeep Grand Cherokee wheel spaces will survive longer than those cheap ones. Are BONOSS Jeep Grand Cherokee wheel spaces worthy? Being a high-end wheel spacer company, it is sure that the designs are expressive and geared towards improving performance and aesthetics. A key advantage of BONOSS Jeep Grand Cherokee wheel spaces is the active cooling feature. These Jeep Grand Cherokee wheel spaces are designed with feather-shaped grooves. The grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, actually dissipating heat for the braking system. In addition, BONOSS Jeep Grand Cherokee wheel spaces are finished with a textured surface on the sides. The side-running design eliminates internal stress which contributes to more reliable product mechanical properties.